How to fix Google Play Store has stopped working issue occurring on your device. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix, unfortunately, the Google Play Store has stopped working on your Android device. Now this issue can be fixed easily. What you can do is you can simply head over to your settings on your device. Once in the settings, you want to head into the option that says apps. So once under apps here, now you want to look in for Google Play Store. So first you want to scroll down and you can see Google Play Services. You want to tap on it and you want to simply go ahead and head into storage and then tap on clear cache and then clear its data as well. So once you clear all the data, then you want to head back and then scroll down, and here you should be able to find the Play Store as well. So you can see the Google Play Store. You can simply tap on Google Play Store and then tap on storage and then tap on clear data and simply delete its data as well. And once you do so, this will fix the issue. You can launch the Google Play Store application. Now once you launch it, what you're going to do is you want to head over to your profile and then head into settings and then tap on about and then tap on update Play Store and make sure it's updated to the latest version. So this way you can fix Google Play Store has stopped working issue on your device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.